everyone. Today we are here in Bukidnon State University to hear the voices of the students. In this Box Pop interview, we'll be asking students about the major societal issue here in Malaybalay. Let's listen to their opinion and see what issues matter most to them. What do you think is the major societal issue in Malaybalay and why?
For a city that is known for its greenery and for its large amount of trees and kanang bukid, daghan siya malaaga na bukid, the city lacks such greenery. Ang atuang sideways, atuang walk paths are filled with illegal parked cars instead of trees that could help shade our walking. Atong pagbaklay, atong pagkuhan labaw na karon ng init or during the summers na the heat is very persistent, it is best if naay mga kahoy sa atong mga walk path instead of those illegal parked cars. And isa sa major issues nato na ako mabantayan sa Malaybalay is that there is the lack of ordinance when it comes to every Friday night. I think as grown people, kabaluman lang sa may tabong usually sa Friday night. And leading to that, daghan jud kay ubot may tabo, and it is not particularly safe for us people to walk at night, especially daghan jud siya mga, let's say, hukuk.
What do you think is the major societal issue in Malaybalay and why?
I think sa based on my experience the school here sa Buksugan, traffic sa morning, mas especially sa mga tricycle drivers.
What do you think is the major societal issue here in Malaybalay and why?
I think